Let's look at one more of the basic functions built into Microsoft Excel. We've looked at sum, min, max, and average. Let's now take a look at the count function. All right, so I'm back inside of my Excel document. I'm going to drop down just into A14. I'm going to put a label here. Let's just call this count. And what I want to do is find a count of how many bills we pay each month. Now, the count function, it counts numeric values. It doesn't count empty cells, doesn't count text values. It only counts numeric values. So I'm going to hop down here into cell B14, back up to my formulas tab. I'm going to go into more functions, statistical, and let's find count. Plain old count. There's a few other count functions in here, and we're actually going to talk about each of these as we continue through the course. But for now, let's just grab plain old count. All right. So I did grab the incorrect range of cells, so I'm going to delete that out. I'm going to go grab B4 to B8. And let's see, I can see that there are 5, right? The results of this formula, there are 5 values that I've got selected there. And they are numeric values. I can see here that the count function counts the number of cells in a range, in our case B4 to B8, that contain numbers. All right, so I got back 5. If I hit OK, there's my 5. I can now complete it for the rest of the cells there. And just to demonstrate, if for some reason I didn't pay one of these bills one of the months, I delete that out. I've now got 4, right, within that slot. Right, had 5, got rid of 1, 4. Let's put that back. Control Z, I'll undo that. There we have it. All right, that's your count function. Now remember, that only counts numeric values, not blank cells, not text, only numerics. There are other functions though. Excel's got plenty of functions in here. We haven't even skimmed the surface yet. There are so many functions, but we've used some of the common ones. Sum being the absolute most common, min and max and average, pretty close up there. And we've got the count function to count numeric values within our range of cells. So go ahead and complete that one off. Count for the rest of them. Hopefully no surprise there. It should be 5 for each of them, or however many bills you got. But could you imagine if you got a whole data set of data? I don't know how many records are in there or how many contain numeric values. Then I can use the count function to count how many numeric values fall within a range of cells. So try that one out, complete it for the rest of the months, and then let's jump into our next lectures.